Introducing the Her Stimulator from the Shane's World collection, an ultra-powerful multi-speed vibrating bullet in candy pink. The easy grip controller and the 2¼ inch long and 1 inch wide bullet are made of a safe and pure hard plastic. This vibrating pink see-through bullet is designed for use on all parts of the body. It's easy to use. Turn the dial on either side of the controller, which uses 2 AA batteries, to the desired intensity of vibration. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean Her Stimulator with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Think pink for excellent stimulation and good vibrations for her from the ultra-powerful and versatile Shane's World Her Stimulator.